is Mike O'Neill from Med1 Aesthetics, along with my business partner, Dr. Trumbull. She's board certified internal medicine. She oversees the entire medically supervised weight loss program that we have called the Healthy Transformation. And we've kind of revamped it. It's New Year, it's 2018, and I'm excited to introduce some new programs, some new services, some new resources, and answer some questions that we're getting. We've had a lot of messages this past week and month about how are we different is kind of one that repeated over and over. How are we different from other programs, or are there even medical programs out there? And the first answer, and probably the best, is we care about you. We really do. We absolutely love our patients. We've always nicknamed Dr. Trumbull the doctor that cares, but our whole team is like that. Our mission is to connect with you and to guide you, to make this kind of an easy process, take the guesswork out, and I think you'll enjoy the teamwork, the accountability, and so many different ways that you can connect. We use that word connect because every single week you actually meet with someone on our wellness team for a connection session. During these sessions, they could be 5 to 15, 20 minutes. They could be live or over the phone or a FaceTime type thing. But we go over, make sure you're doing your tasks, you're doing your fitness, you're eating and logging your nutrition. And it's not like the logging like a lot of those apps. We've taken the guesswork out of that too. We've already pre-loaded everything for you. All you have to do is literally go in and just say you ate that, hit a little plus sign and submit. It shouldn't be that difficult. We give you a lot of different options, and we try to make even the workouts extremely easy. So we can modify exercises. You can do them in your home. You can go to the gym. It's all there for you. But I'll tell you the thing that is extremely different, and probably my favorite, is the cardio coaching. So when you go in, let's say one of your homework assignments is to get on a bike and ride for 10 miles or for 30 minutes, whatever it is. You're on a treadmill, elliptical, you press play on your cardio coaching session. So it's day one, you're on there, you got this bike on, you press play, and there's an episode for you that not only motivates you, but it educates you. You learn life skills that will help you optimize. It's not just the goal of weight loss, although we share that goal with you. We also want to make sure that this program doesn't end in 28 days. It goes on forever. This is truly a lifestyle transformation because of the education that comes along with it. And the ease of use. It's really pretty exciting. We've got this Facebook group that's private to people in the Healthy Transformation Program. We have this mobile app where we send out the tasks. There's previews of exercises, the coaching sessions are on there, the nutrition's on there. We also have a great way of tracking data so you can see the results, not just feel them, although you're gonna feel fantastic, I really believe immediately. We have this 3D body scanner that you get on this thing and it spins you around 35 seconds. It takes 425 pictures of you and gives you all kinds of information about yourself. Basal metabolic rate, body composition, posture report. It will tell you how you score based on your age and your height and weight, but not like just a BMI. There's different types of index scoring, waist circumference, and a great way to see a before and after of your scans. And then you can see if you've lost or gained anywhere. Physically, you can see the scan, there's difference, but there's also data where you can see in some charts too. So that's another advantage of being local. But people in other states, we've got them in Texas, Pennsylvania, Georgia, Florida, California, are doing these programs, and they're still losing weight like crazy. We've got all kinds of testimonies. Go to our website, drtrumbull.com, or you can go right to our lifestyle department at med1.life and learn more information or book a consultation, because that's free. And we'd love to invite you in and kind of plug you into our program. But we provide pretty much everything from start to finish. There's some responsibility on your behalf to follow through with the program, to learn the skills and implement them into your life, let's say for dinner. But we're going to give you breakfast, we're going to give you a snack, we're going to give you lunch, we're going to give you another snack, we're going to give you nutraceuticals. These are physician grade supplements that you can only get through a physician. They're high quality ingredients, and there's always a clinical reason that this product even exists. It's going to help you recover. It's going to help you build the lean muscle that's going to improve your metabolism. You're going to be burning more calories even in your sleep. This program is exponentially, you're going to improve with every single week. And you're going to see that in your scans. You're going to see it during your connection sessions. And you're going to feel it. You're going to see it in your clothes. And I think that what's also cool is that when you're finished, let's say your first 28 days, you get through this little nutritional and fitness boot camp. We're going to plug you into the next steps. We've got medical detoxification programs, not just these like fasting or dehydrating type detoxes. I mean, this is truly medical grade, and we'll educate you on how to do that. It'll be in one of your coaching sessions, so you'll be prepared if that's something you want to do. We've also got some gym workouts or some personal training. We actually call it kinetic sessions, but if you're local and you want to get a little additional support, we're here for you there. We've got a full 8,000 square foot facility located in Anytime Fitness at Belleville. We keep a satellite location there, Med1 does, where we've got a single treatment room and a front desk, but all this great gym equipment that we can do these sessions. And but you can actually, let's say you're out of town or you prefer to just work out your home, you can turn on right on your phone or your iPad and go to the workout. It'll be right there. Any exercise you're not clear on, just touch it. It'll give you a little preview and you're ready to go. Most of the things we do are in interval circuits. They're fun, cardiovascular strength and core, and they're usually based on a timer, like 25, 30 seconds. You just hit the little timer and go. So I think it's fun, and we want to connect with you. We want to connect with you now. Come talk to us about your goals. You want to take it a step further and do some blood work and get into some hormones, we've got that too. If you're just wanting maybe not the full-blown program, but some vitamins or just some high-quality nutraceuticals, you can go right to our store and order them, get them shipped right to your house for free, 20% off your first order. There's a little store link, or you can go directly to med1.metagenics.com. But there's just so many tools, so many resources, so many of us ready to help you out. So I think this is your year. 2018 can be different, something that you don't have to think about next year or the next year. You're already going to be living that healthy lifestyle. Those training wheels are going to fall off. You're never going to put them back on. You can't unlearn this stuff. This is a great investment, and we're excited to show you more. Give us a call, 734-780-7070, or go to our websites, links, all the above. Thanks so much for listening. Have a good night.